Hi, good morning. Welcome back. There are number of reasons for premature aging of the skin, hair, brain or body that may add decades to your chronological age. So I would like to share 10 best tricks to turn back the clock and reverse the premature aging symptoms. The process of preservation of the age starts from when you are in 20s. You can build up most of your bone density prior to your 30s. So you'd be wise to store up all the calcium beforehand for your future use. Then lifelong continue to follow a high calcium diet. Calcium is better absorbed from milk than any of the supplement. That is to keep your bones strong enough. Especially in women, they rapidly lose their bone mass after menopause, and which leads to weaker bones and chances of fracture are very high. When you are driving a car or sitting in a car, then there are significantly more skin damages on the exposed side from the sun. You may have significantly more skin damage over here, and you can easily make it out with the skin tones. So make sure you shield your face from the sun while you are sitting in a car. This sun damages the ultraviolet rays of the sun that penetrates into your skin, and it evaporates the skin moisture and ultimately makes the skin dry, and that is the time when the wrinkles start appearing. Fruits like watermelon, mango, vegetable like spinach and sweet potatoes are very high in vitamin A, and it helps to repair your skin cells. Also, you need to keep working to stimulate your mind. The brain is at the center of the aging battle and needs to be stimulated to stay young. Staying in a workplace for a longer period of time will activate your brain. In addition to this, doing puzzles, learning new subjects, new skill and keeping it socially active. Dull skin and graying hair will instantly add a decade or more to your age. So skin and hair experts advise increasing your water intake and cutting coffee and soda intake, which are hair killers. Also, acidity in the coffee will burn up calcium and creates redness in the skin. A faded complexion is one of the first sign of premature aging skin. So ingredients like glycolic acid and retinol can rapidly improve the look and texture of the skin by removing buildup of the dry skin. Smoothing out fine lines can also be done with the help of these things. So improving discoloration and also helping a trigger collagen production is done by the glycolic acid and retinol. Also, saturated fat, white flour and sugar found in many red meats and processed food will pack on the pounds and come out of your skin. So extra body fat usually inserted on your belly and on your triceps will trigger other organs to begin aging prematurely. So staying lean with proper exercise and diet will keep you living longer and looking younger. Most of the people are unaware that the delicate skin on your hands shows the aging process extremely quickly and often makes you appear older than your present age. So drinking a lot of water, eating fruits which are rich in antioxidants, wearing sunscreen and lathering up every day with a good hand lotion will help your hands stay true to your age. Expert says many of us exceed healthy stress levels, which will eventually exhaust the body and wreak havoc on internal systems. So taking break from your work, taking vacations, sleeping almost 6 to 8 hours in a day, meditation, exercise, taking a nap, all these will cleanse your aging stress and toxins.